This brand is made in China by Medea and is sold through Menards home improvement stores. The brand offers units with 3-speed fans, but they only have manual louvers, which does not do as good of a job of circulating the air throughout the room, and they use R410, a refrigerant which is not as environmentally friendly as brands that use R32. The units use basic washable filters, which does not do much to improve the indoor air quality of the room. The PAW R1ABL models are basic cool-only units with energy saver and timer modes for energy savings, while the PAC C1BWT model is for casement windows with a 10,000 BTU capacity, but they are relatively loud with a 61 decibel noise rating on high speed. The PAT R1ZWT models are basic through-the-wall air conditioners, while the PATH2ZWT units provide heating as well as cooling. The warranty on the compressor is not very good when compared to other brands. This brand receives an overall 2-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.